Oh, you touched it. Oh.
Yes!
You touched it though. You're not supposed to touch the side. Wanna try? Why? You scared? Oh.
I'm not good at the game. I was a little bit. I'm done with that game.
If the nose buzzes a little bit, you're done with that game?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, you almost got it. Come on, grab it.
Yeah.
It's almost there though.
Oh. You just put it back in. Too scared.
Is that pretty cool?
Yeah. I want to open.
Hold on, let me see.
Wait, these are from Claire?
No, I got them on sale. I got lucky and I found them. Isn't that cool? It says clearance. You're like, from Claire. Which one do you want to open? Remember we watched it on the show.
This one. I want to open this one.
Okay, we'll start with this one. Let me see it again.
I want to start
Turn it,
with this one.
Ooh, what's all in there?
A bunch of Pokemon cards.
Yeah, these bad boys were on sale, so I had to buy both.
I would get this one.
So 2 for you, 2 for Julian.
2 for me. Okay. Wait, you did that one.
Keys.
Shiny. Oh, I got shiny. I got shiny. Got this guy. That's got new. Wait. Got this. Whoa, what's this? What's this?
Oh, that's cool.
I got this what? One. And I think this. Oh.
Ooh.
Got this one. This is a new one too.
Oh, that's a good one. Good job.
Wait, look at mine. I got. Look what I got.
Ooh.
What is that? 3, 4, and 5. Ultimate. 5.
Yay. All right, we gotta do the next pack.
To Daddy's?
This last red. Oh my God, why are you always filming me? Stop it.
Because we got Godfather's Pizza and we're playing Animal Crossing. We're quarantining. Now finish the island. I need my bells.
You sure do. Wood and iron nugget. I got you, fam. I got you, fam. I got you, fam.
You finally got your gong. You got it from a gift balloon in the sky. Let me see the whole Zen garden. Oh, that looks so cool. Good job. I like all this stuff. What's that? It's the first time seeing a scorpion.
I didn't even know we could get those.
Oh. Oh, he's up there. He's stuck. Oh! What? What happened? Look at the cool new villager we got. We got Mint, the squirrel. But we need to get rid of this freak. Ew. What do you mean? He's not weird. He's cool. He looks like Tokoyami. Here, let me hear it. He looks like Tokoyami from My Hero. He's cool. I like him. Bring him to the island. This is the one you're hyped about?
Like easy egg should be in here.
Here, how about
This thing
mine?
is heavy.
It looks like a dragon egg. Mom, it's like a dragon's in it. I'm being very careful.
Okay, but I told you not to.
Hey, you, turn around. Your eyebrows look weird.
Floof.
Really only need a small piece to feel that vibration.
Try to pet his head.
You wish it was kids' Happy Mother's Day? Yeah, I'll do it.
Get that busy Mother's Day.
Why?
Because so I can get a present.
Figured out a duplication glitch. Except everyone's in the way now. The gang's all here. This is awkward. I don't know what to do in this situation. Do you think I can just run right away? Or will I die?
I have no idea.
Dang it. Oh. Oh! Move, penguin. Oh, there's another one up there, bro. Oh god. Oh god. It's alright. Oh god, there's another one.
There.
Whew. Hey. The scatty. Okay, we have 34 tickets right now. How many you have stored? 34 on us. And another 60 stored. Alright, who do we have for villagers now? It's looking pretty good. I think we only have 3 we want to get rid of. Otherwise, our island is perfect. We just need to ditch Dom and Rory. And then, I guess, Mint, if we can find the ever-elusive Raymond. Good job. We're on the quest for Raymond. We found one more on our list. Our island's about to be perfect. Ooh, her voice is so cool too. See you at home. No, you didn't. That scared me. I was over here getting ready for work and you just let out a scream. Thank God, the curse has been lifted. How many skip tickets do you think we used, honestly?
Literally like 300.
That scared me. Literally, I was looking through the junk drawer trying to find something. I almost dropped a screwdriver on my foot because she screamed. Yes! All right, 300 more tickets. Go find me Raymond. What do you think, Flu?
Squid! Look at it, she's so cute!
Ooh.
I love these little things.
Hey, dudes.
We brought you some cool burgers, guys.
Oh, good. I'm hungry. Hi, Mom.
What the heck?
What the heck?
I mean,
Miss you.
A whole bunch of just, oops, sorry.
Did you guys miss me or what?
Dude,
Oh,
we
here, I
just
got
got
this
a-
for you. Take this in my arm.
Oh, thank you.
Grandma,
Oh, yeah, we got that for you. Give me a hug. Missed you guys. Mario Monopoly.
Whoa.
And here, reach in my pocket. I got something else. This pocket over here.
Casey and John just went on a
pocket.
date.
Oh yeah?
She like texted me their photos or whatever, and then what they ate.
Let's
I'm
go.
Look, you go.
David, we got some.
Hey, you can't eat all of them tonight. Just a few. Yeah, I know you love the gummy
I want
hamburgers.
the hot dog.
You would. That's all you ever like is hot dogs.
So it's necessary.
Okay, you got me drinking this coconut turmeric shot.
Shake me, shoot me, feel me. Yes, it's good for you. Shake it all up. You ready?
I need a chaser because I already know this
Yeah,
is gonna
did you
taste
open?
crazy.
You better this cocoa nectar bar, lavender red rose.
I want to bite.
All right, you ready?
Okay. Oh God.
Ready?
Oof. Cheers.
Cheers to
The
a
whole
healthy
thing?
life. Yep, the whole thing. See, don't you feel better already?
Nah. Oh, this is pretty bad too.
Yep.
Oh man, healthy stuff sucks. Let's go to McDonald's.
Cocoa nectar bar.
Looks like a brownie with a squished flour on it. Ooh. Here, show her that.
Did you paint that?
Look, we bought this one at the store.
It looks like you painted
Oh, you painted it. Did you really? You made it.
Do you
I
like
like
it?
it. Yeah. Cherry blossoms,
I tried
right?
to find a frame for it, but we couldn't find one to fit right
And
now.
Cranes. My best buddy Tyler, and he hooked us up with like millions of dollars. I mean bells. Thanks, dude. He made a little separate area for all the things we need.
Oranges.
And apples and cherries, bro. And he just sneezed on us. Yeah, but he's such a creep. Get out of here. He's like my least favorite guy, minus the clown. Get out of here, Beardo. No one likes you. Aw, thanks. Now beat it. He went and laid by it. All done?
All done.
Good job, babe. Looks awesome. Oh. What do you think, Flu? What do you think, Flu? Look at the clubhouse I made you guys. Ready? What do you think? What?
It's not a real clubhouse. So.
Okay, Julian's not allowed in then. Oh, you don't think it's cool?
That looks just like Mario. Oh, then that's in going in the car.
Let's go find him.
Open it. I just saw the Ninja Turtle in there. Open it.
What are they doing in there?
I saw them eating like pizza. Come on, open it. Open it.
So let's see what they sent me, because I have no idea what it's going to be. It better be something good, or I'm never buying from them again.
Oh shit! I need lotion. Don't mind
Isn't
that.
he cool? He's got a little druzy pocket.
That's cool. I like this dragon thing.
Okay.
Whoa. You're an apophyte.
I really like a Apophyllite. It was my first
I really like
necklace.
you.
That necklace that I have. Is
Oh yeah,
an
you're right.
Apophyllite.
Look at your cool crystal stand you did.
Wait, put that over right here. I wanna put it over here. Okay, some incense.
Oh cool.
I just it's incense, like you know that little.
And we got all of our stands in to get rid of that guy.
Yes, no.
Hopefully it turns out cool. Floof! I'm trying to build that thing. Get out of there, man.
Leave him alone. He's a good boy. You sit anywhere you want to.
Nick's making us dinner.
What are you doing? Nick, what you up to, my bro?
Thanks for dinner, Nick.
What do you need, my friend? What do you need?
It looks so funny. Floof.
He a lovely boy tonight.
We leave the house for 10 minutes. I didn't think this through. They're gonna be all over this thing.